afternoon, students. In your chapter this perimeter and area, in this problem set 49 we studied these 9 examples. Then see this 10th one. See here, look at the figures on the sheet of a graph paper. Measure their sides with the help of lines on the graph paper and write the perimeter of each in the right box. See here in this graph paper, here the sides of this rectangle squares given. Firstly, here rectangle is given A, B, C, D, but here length not given. By using this scale you measure this length and this length you measure, and by using this formula perimeter of this rectangle 2 into in bracket L plus B, then you put values and write here answer. In this type, second one, see this PQRS, this square means all sides equal, then you count only one side here, suppose 2 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Then formula here, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, then 4 into side you write this multiplication and write here answer. In this type you will complete this 10th one question in homework. Then next one point in this chapter, area. In this perimeter and area in this chapter, next one point is area. We completed this perimeter. Then area of here formula C, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Here L into B. L into B. Suppose here length is given 20 centimeter, breadth is given 15 centimeter. Then area of rectangle is equal to L into B, means here 20 into 15. 15 to the 30 means 300 centimeter square. Area is here, therefore 300 centimeter square. Then area of square is equal to formula here, side into side. Side into side means side square. Then suppose here length of the side is, what will be the area of the square with side is here 15 centimeter. Side 15 centimeter. Then you write here area of square is equal to formula side into side means 15 into 15. Then 15 5 are 225 centimeter square. Area of this square is equal to 225 centimeter square. Then see this problem set 15. The length of the sides of each square is given below and you find its area. The length of the problem set 50. Problem set 50. The length of the sides of each square is given below. Find its area. First one is here 12 meters. Then you write here area of square. Area of square is equal to side into side. Formula write you. Side into side. Then below write this 12 into 12 means 144 centimeter square. 144 centimeter square. Then second one, see this 6 centimeter. Area of square is equal to side into side. Then side here given 6 centimeter. 6 into 6 is equal to answer 36 centimeter square. Then third one also given here 25 meters. Then you write here perimeter, area of square side into side 25 into 25, 625 centimeter square. Then 18 centimeter, fourth one. This also write area of square in this type, side into side. Then 18 into 18 is equal to 324 centimeter square. Then see this second one question in this problem set 50. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees, find the total cost of a plot of land that is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. Here length and breadth is given. Then what is the area of this rectangle? Second one question. Here length is given 25 meter long, breadth is given 20 meter. Then what is this area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Then L means 25 into 20 means 25 to the 500 centimeter square. 500 centimeter square. The side, the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees. The cost of 1 square meter of plot is 500 rupees. Sorry, 900 rupees. Cost of this 1 square meter of plot is 900 rupees. Then 500 square meter is equal to 900 into 500. 9 5 are 45 and this 2 and this 2 means 40 here. Means here 4,50,000 rupees. 4,50,000 rupees. The cost of this 500 square meter of plot is here answer 4,50,000 rupees. Then in this problem set 50, again some examples remain here, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then this remaining part tomorrow. In this chapter last this problem set 15. Then in homework you complete this today's class work.